Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll continue off with the discussion with the questions pertaining to the test of mathematics and basically take a look at the kind of questions that are asked in this kind of examination so that we can try and understand the question concept and also try and identify the kind of approaches that we need towards tackling these questions. So having said all of that, let's take a look or basically focus on the question at hand over here. The number of point x and y satisfying equation 1, 3y minus 4 is equal to 20 and 2 x squared plus y squared less than equal to 16 is okay. So let's what we can see from this line is that this is a line and this is a circle. Okay, so let's take both the equation in the purest form. It's equal to 20 and x squared plus y squared, let's say equal to 16. Okay, from here we can say y equal to 20 plus 4x by 3. We can write that. So now say this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So putting 3 in 2, we have x squared plus 20 plus 4x by 3 whole square equal to 16. Okay, so if we go by the same, this one we can write, so 9x squared plus so 20 squared will be 400 plus 16x squared plus 2 goes 80 plus 2 160x and the 3 into 16 or 9 into 16, that is 144. Okay, we simply use the a plus b whole squared for 20 plus 4x squared and 3 squared as we have taken the LCM in all of this. So this would in turn give us 25 squared plus 160x 160x plus 256 equal to 0. Okay, so this is what we have. So if this one we can actually write 5x whole square plus 2 into 5x into 16 plus 16 square, we can actually represent it in that way. So this is nothing but 5x plus 16 whole square equal to 0. So therefore x will be minus 16 by 5. Okay, so minus 16 by 5. So here we can see there's only one solution. So therefore particular line actually touches the circle. So no intersection of the point inside the circle as well. So therefore this particular point of question will only have one point that satisfies the given condition. So I hope this is clear. This was also a fairly easy question. So all we needed to do was basically just substitute the values out so that we can actually determine the particular points on which the line basically interacts with the circle itself. So having said that, if you are having any kind of difficulty towards understanding the concept pertaining to the question, I suggest that you go through the video as many times as you feel comfortable enough that you have gotten the gist of the approach you have taken. And once you are clear with the concepts, I suggest you try and solve this question on your own, keeping this video as a reference. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. So in case you like it, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with that said, we'll continue our discussion on this kind of question in the subsequent videos. So until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.